Hey everyone, it's Dan with the DIY Veteran, and today I want to test out this Melnor Turbo XT oscillating sprinkler with a timer to see if it can resolve a couple of the biggest problems when you're watering your lawn. One being you get so much water on one side, not enough on the other, and it's not even watering the grass that you were hoping it would water. We'll see if that solves a problem, and I'll show you all the features that this thing has. Let's get to it. First off, you get this in the box, the sprinkler, and you get these amazing things here. They are a quick connect, so you can easily connect and disconnect your attachment. You can use these for all your hoses, which that's what I did. I changed all mine out. I had a hose that was seized up and I put these on, and that's not going to happen anymore. One of the biggest features is now you have a timer. You can put it straight on. That's what I have it set to, so I don't even need to use the timer. But you can set the timer, looks like up to 120 minutes. That's pretty long. Anyway, so now we have these adjustments. You got one here, and that's gonna decide where it oscillates. So obviously you have them all the way up. It's just gonna squirt water straight up in the air, and then this will do left to right. As you can see, your range of motion in this. You can adjust these by adjusting. You can see you have small all the way to big, and that's going to direct one side, how far to the center it goes and how far all the way out that it'll reach. Both sides do that, and that's basically it. You're ready to go outside and water your grass. So we'll put these on. It goes on really easy, and that's just gonna hook your hose right to that. Super easy. It feels a little heavy, like maybe a little less than a pound, so it's gonna sit there on your grass without falling over. So at this point, we're gonna take this thing outside and I'll show you how it works. Okay, here we are outside. Got the sprinkler all hooked up. And this is the lawn that I just overseeded. There's a video coming up for that. But if you're checking out the oscillation, it goes all the way to the right. Now it's coming back this way. And you can see all the holes are open. It's definitely putting water where it's supposed to. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll put a link in the description for all these things. Thanks.